G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here. Now if you've been watching the channel for a while, you'll know I spend a lot of time in the bush on my bike. Riding through dust, mud, rain, fog, and occasionally situations where my riding ability is being seriously questioned. So today we're looking at something pretty exciting. This is the INNOVV N2 Smart Motorcycle Riding System. Now this little bit of kit promises to make riding smarter and possibly safer. With things like an integrated intelligence system supporting dual external cameras, tyre pressure monitoring system, GPS positioning and seamless CarPlay and Android Auto integration for enhanced intelligence and safety. The INNOVV N2 isn't just another gadget stuck on the handlebars, it's actually a pretty serious bit of riding tech. Right up front you've got a 6-inch display, which is a really nice size on a motorcycle. It's big enough to see clearly while you're riding, but not so big it looks like you've mounted a television to your handlebars. Now this is great because sometimes when I'm riding, I'm concentrating on rocks, ruts, kangaroos, and trying not to crash in front of my mates so they don't put it on YouTube. So now the big question is, does the INNOVV N2 actually make a difference out on real rides? Well, there's only one way to find out, because around here we don't do laboratory tests, we do the Artist Wayne pressure test. So I'm going to install it on my bike, hit the road, hit the dirt, and see how it performs in the real world. And by the end of this video, we'll find out if the INNOVV N2 is a brilliant bit of riding tech, or if it ends up in the same category as my log jumping skills. Alright, let's get into it. But first, how about we open this baby up for a little unboxing? Now, the INNOVV N2 motorcycle riding system runs Bluetooth 5.2, so it can connect easily with your phone, headset and other devices without any drama. It also supports OTA updates, that's over-the-air updates, which means the system can receive new features and improvements without you having to plug it into a computer every 5 minutes. Always a win in my book. The N2 also uses an advanced 10Hz GPS, which basically means it updates your location 10 times every second, so when you're riding, the tracking and navigation stay incredibly smooth and accurate. And of course, because this thing is designed for motorcycles, it's built tough. The N2 is rated IP76 waterproof, which means rain, dust, mud and the occasional river crossing shouldn't bother it at all. Alright, let's see what INNOVV have given us here. Well, that escalated quickly. Cables, mounts, wiring, screws, brackets, tyre pressure monitoring systems, basically everything I need to install the INNOVV N2 on my mighty Yamaha Tenere 700. Well, that's a lot of bits, but the good news is INNOVV have actually supplied everything I'll need to install the system. So let's get cracking. Now one thing I really like is that INNOVV actually think of everything. They even supply a screen protector with the kit. And that was the very first thing I installed before the screen even made it onto my bike. Because if there's one thing I'm good at, it's scratching brand new screens during installation. Now, before I could even think about installing the N2, I had to give my bike a wash, because after a 7-day adventure ride, my poor Tenere looked like it had just finished the Dakar. But once the bike was clean, installation was actually really straightforward. INNOVV supply absolutely everything: brackets, mounts, wiring, the whole lot. So getting the screen and cameras fitted was a breeze. And that's a win in my book, because I don't like hard work. And when I booted the N2 up, it worked. which just goes to show INNOVV's installation instructions are very clear and easy to follow, even for someone like me. So that's the INNOVV N2 interface. Nice big screen, easy menus and plenty of smart features. But of course, looking good on the bench is one thing, but out on the road, in the dirt, that's where it really matters. And that means only one thing. It's time for the hardest Wayne pressure test. So with the N2 installed and up and running, it was time for the real test. And around here that means leaving the nice smooth bitumen behind and heading straight for the dirt trails. Because if there's one thing adventure bikes are good at, it's shaking absolutely everything to pieces. One thing I really liked straight away was the screen. It's nice and bright, really easy to see while you're riding, even out here in the sunlight. And thanks to the GPS, I finally have an accurate speedo. Happy days. And this ride would also be the perfect opportunity to test out the N2's 2K front and rear cameras. More importantly, to see just how good the image stabilization really is, because out here on these trails, the bike isn't exactly gliding along like a Rolls Royce. But as the terrain got tougher, the footage actually stayed surprisingly smooth, which is pretty impressive considering what the suspension and my spine were going through. But at the end of the day, the N2 is a dashcam system, not an action camera. And for what it's designed to do, it does its job brilliantly. And of course, it wouldn't be an Artist Wayne pressure test without putting the N2 through a crash. But the good news is the INNOVV N2 passed with flying colours. I, on the other hand, did not. And that's it, guys. That's my Artist Wayne pressure test of the INNOVV N2 Smart Motorcycle Riding System. After installing it, riding with it, and even accidentally crash testing it, well, I can honestly say that the N2 is a fantastic bit of riding tech. The screen is big, bright and easy to see. The cameras do exactly what they're meant to do, and installation was nice and straightforward because INNOVV supply absolutely everything you could possibly need in the box. From me, it's the full 5 stars, and as usual, INNOVV have delivered another solid bit of riding gear, and it's always a pleasure testing their products. Now, if you're keen to check out the N2 for yourself, make sure you hit the description below for links and discount codes. I'm Artist Wayne Dowson. Thanks for watching, everyone. Ride safe, and I'll see you all in the next one.